What if I told you that your body already holds everything you need to become stronger, tougher, and more disciplined than you've ever been? No gym, no machines, no excuses, just you and the ground beneath your hands. Welcome to the 100 Push-Up Military Challenge. A test that doesn't just measure your strength, but your mindset, your discipline, and your heart. This is not about looking good. This is about finding out who you really are when things get hard. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most respected exercises in the world. They are used by military forces, special units, and elite athletes because they work everything: your chest, shoulders, arms, core, and most importantly, your mental toughness. Anyone can start a push-up. Very few can finish strong. So the question is simple. What's your level? If you can barely do 10 push-ups, that's not weakness, that's honesty. That's where real strength begins. Because strength isn't built by pretending. It's built by showing up, even when you're struggling. If you can do 30 push-ups, you're above average. Your body is waking up. Your muscles are learning to fight back. But you're still in the comfort zone. And comfort never creates champions. If you can do 50 push-ups, now we're talking discipline. Your body is trained, your breathing is controlled, and your mind is focused. You don't quit easily. You don't panic under pressure. You push forward. But if you can do 100 push-ups, you're operating on a different level. This isn't just fitness, this is mental warfare. Every rep after 60 hurts. Your arms burn. Your chest feels like it's on fire. Your brain starts screaming, "Stop!" And that's the moment that defines you. Because the real battle is not in your muscles. It's in your mind. Military training isn't designed to make soldiers strong. It's designed to make them unbreakable. Push-ups teach you to stay calm under stress, to keep moving when your body begs you to quit, and to finish what you started, no matter how painful it becomes. This challenge is not about doing 100 push-ups in one go. It's about commitment. You can break them into sets. You can rest, but you cannot quit. Quitting is not an option. Every push-up is a promise to yourself. Every drop of sweat is proof that you're growing. Every rep is a reminder that pain is temporary, but pride lasts forever. You don't need motivation. Motivation fades. You need discipline. Discipline stays. Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you'll feel weak. But discipline is what makes you drop to the floor and push anyway. Discipline is what separates winners from talkers. This challenge will change you not just physically, but mentally. You'll stand taller. You'll breathe deeper. You'll move with confidence. Because when you conquer your body, your mind follows. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. The reason most people avoid challenges like this is not because they're hard. It's because they expose excuses. No filters. No shortcuts. Just raw effort. So ask yourself right now, are you comfortable staying average? Or are you ready to push past your limits? You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You just need to start. Drop down. Lock your core. Control your breathing. And push. One rep at a time. One battle at a time. One victory at a time. Because when you finish this challenge, you won't just say, "I did 100 push-ups." You'll say, "I didn't quit." And that mindset can change your entire life.